So today we'll be testing Newell BLF19E battery replacement for Panasonic GH4, 5, GH5S and G9. It only costs a small fraction of the price of original one, so I was very curious to put it to the test against the crazy expensive OEM. From the outside it basically looks identical, apart from a bit different sticker, which actually is more fancy than in the Panasonic original. Also, as you can see, we are told both have the same 1860 mAh specs, so let's put it to the test. I began this comparison by first disabling all power saving settings and ensuring that both batteries were charged at full 100%. Then I put each battery to the test in manual time-lapse mode, where the shooting interval was set at steady 5 seconds. The aim of this experiment was to ascertain how long the camera could run and the number of shots I could capture with each battery. It's important to mark that my OEM battery has been a faithful companion for a few years now, though showing no signs of degradation. Keeping in mind mentioned price difference, I would be more than content if the Newell battery could match its performance. And without further ado, we can now reveal the results, which honestly I wouldn't expect. Newell ran for 20 minutes longer and captured 300 more shots. This leads to the question, why Panasonic ones are so expensive? To me it's ridiculous, they are 6 times the price of Newell. We are talking about 15 bucks versus almost 100 bucks. Let me know what do you think about this comparison, and perhaps share your thoughts if you own this Newell battery for a longer time. Share your experience, how has it kept up for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next comparison.